guys, this is Holden Strains with another review for you. Today we'll be going over the fairly new Proto 2000 series E6 locomotives. Now I have two here. This one on the far left is a Southerner, and the one on the far right is the Crescent. You know, they're both Southern, and they're very nice locomotives in my opinion. So let's go ahead and get into the details. Alright guys, so you've got your box, you got your normal flaps, you got all your little, little details about the locomotive. You've got your styrofoam boxing and everything. Your frame itself with your motor and stuff would sit in here, and then the shell would sit on that little foam piece right there. And of course in the box you have all your details and manuals, which I'm not going to really get to right now because everything's already out of the box. Alright, so let's go and get into the front detail. Now, I'm just going to do this over one locomotive because it's the exact same for just about every other one. Now, we're going to start out with the very front. You've got your grab irons up front. You've got your flat-faced front details. You've got your Mars light and your just normal static light, I guess is what you'd call it. It just stays a solid, white, I guess you would say, and doesn't flicker at all. You've got your coupler that rotates on its little base, as you can see down there, so you can go on those tighter curves. You got your step for your plow up front. See if that'll focus a little bit better. Yep, there we go. You got your normal grab irons on the sides for the cab. That door opens, as a matter of fact, so that's pretty neat. You've got your windows. There's cab interior inside there. You've got little people. They're not painted or anything. It's all molded in black. And I've painted the insides of these several times before, and it's pretty easy actually if you pop the shell off. You've got your windshield wipers, your horn. I'm not really sure what that little box up there in the middle is for. You've got your road number right there. You got your vents on the sides. Your road name, obviously. Your little catwalk windows right there. And let's go ahead and go up to the top. Alright guys, so here we are in the roof of the locomotive. You've got your vents on both the front area and the mid-rear area, I guess you'd say. You've got your little exhausts in the center. You've got your little hatches on each, little areas in the locomotive. There's several back here, and there's one right there. You've also got your little bolt loops for whenever they're trying to take off those hatches. Those are what those little parts right there are. They're really nice on how Pro 2000 does that. I've always liked on how they put small detail in that. But I gotta say, be careful whenever you're handling these locomotives. These things bend so easily and they break off. You can already see I'm missing one right there. And this really irritates me whenever I lose those kind of things, but it's really no way of easily avoiding that. So let's go to the very, very back. So here in the very back, we've got another set of exhausts. I'm assuming that is a air conditioning. Like I said, more rivet detail, more loops, and that's really it. Let's go to the very back of the locomotive. So here we are in the very rear of the locomotive. You got more grab irons, steps, some more grab irons and stuff like that. You've got your coupler on the little adjustable base for the tight curves and radiuses. You've got your vestibule. Got swivels. You got vestibule detail up there. That's really it back here. So let's go and go to the side of the locomotive. Alright, so here we are on the side of the locomotive. You've got your normal basic detail like I said before. You've got your grab irons. And that's it. So you got your road name, you got your vents. All these doors open up. Like I said, there's no door back here. So there's other details like that. And now you've got your truck details. Can't really see very well in the camera because the lighting's not too fabulous right now. But you've got your normal truck detail. You've got all of your rivets, your little brake pads and everything. Whatever you want to call it all. Let's see. Yeah, so you can see a little bit better right there now. Now you've got your fuel tank on the sides. I'm going to leave that right there. You've got a very small area. That's the fuel pump area right there. That's where, that's the only really detailed or colored detail part that's on the side. Got more steps, your fuel tank itself, and a little valve for the fuel tank right there. Now on the very front, like I said, you've got your name of your special locomotive. Like I said, mine's a Southerner, so that's what that says right there. Now let's go see this thing in operation. Now I do gotta point something out. This is being ran on DCC. The locomotive itself is DC. I haven't had the chance to put a decoder in just yet, but yeah, other than despite the noise that it is putting out saying that it's not DC, it is a very fantastic runner. Let's go ahead and throw this in the forward position real quick. Like I said, it'll run just a little bit smoother than this in DC. Let's go and throw it in reverse. And as you can see, the Mars light is pretty bright. Can't really tell very well on the camera, but you could probably see the, yeah, there you go. You see a little bit better right there. Yeah. Yep, there you go. Now, the only thing I do have to complain about these locomotives is that the cab lights up, and so does down here, whenever the Mars light's going on. So what I'm wanting to do here sometime soon is build a styrene wall to divide that right there to where there's no light going inside the cab. But yeah, guys, other than that, this is a fantastic model. So go ahead and leave some likes, even some comments. Be sure to subscribe for more video, guys, and talk to you next time.